Thank you.
Napakahusay.
Miss Universe 1969, our very first Filipina to win Miss Universe was Miss Gloria Astilleras Diaz.
Kabisado mo talaga,
Yes,
no?
the question was, during 1969, the first man landed on the moon. The question was, here's your question. If the man landed on the moon, if the man landed on the moon, landed in your hometown, what would you do to entertain him? Oh, Miss Gloria Diaz quickly answered, oh, I think the same thing I guess I will do. If he has been in the moon for so long, he needs to change. Ano ibig sabihin? Natural, kahit saan ka galing, nagpunta ka sa astronaut, sa kalawakan, sa trabaho, anong una mong ginagawa? Nagpapalit ka muna ng damit. Kasi, ibig sabihin, yun ang hygiene mo, na kahit na ikaw ang pinakakilalang tao, mananatiling sikat ka, pero isa ka lang na ordinaryong tao dahil hayaan mo na yung tao ang magbigay sa'yo ng admiration at palampakan na ikaw ay nakapagland sa moon. That's why, if Americans conquered the universe by the moon, this is the right time for the Philippines to conquer the Philippines. And then, Miss Gloria Diaz was crowned as Miss Universe 1969.
Ganun talaga expression niya?
Hanapin mo. Oh, just the same thing, I guess. If he has been in the moon for so long, then I guess, he needs to change.
Yun lang yung sagot niya?
Matalino ba yung sagot?
Matalino ba yun, sis? Ay, magpapalit lang ng damit. Teka. Ay, papakainin dapat, Gutom yun, eh.
Sige, gawin natin theoretical. Kapag may bisita ka at ikaw ay ginatnan sa bahay, anong una mong gagawin?
Merienda ka ako.
Hindi. Kailangan ayusin muna yung personality mo. I need to change. Diyan ka muna. Hindi pa ako nagtututbrush, so I have to toothbrush.
Yun ang logic dun sa sagot niya.
I have to wash my face first.